My kids are officially on 1 week break, and I started to take 2 days off from work since I'm self-employed to spend more time with them, do their assignments and all of that. So today I started to make yam and oba sauce. I came across a post on Instagram. Someone made this for her family, and I decided to try it out since I have everything I needed for it. So I tried it out today and it really tasted good. The oba and the bomo was out of this world. Like when you combine it today, it's giving, and we enjoyed every bit of it. My kids kept on requesting for more, and I was really glad that I did this. So see you guys in my next one. Bye.